Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to use your UnitedHealthcare UCard to shop for eligible products. First, you must activate your UCard. You can do this online at activate.uhe.com. You will need your card in hand. Enter the 16-digit number, your date of birth, and zip code. The site will guide you step by step. You may also activate by phone if you prefer. Activation is required before you shop. Once the card is active, you should sign in to your UCard Hub account or the UnitedHealthcare app. Here you can see your available balance. You can check how much credit you have left for over-the-counter items, healthy food, or other benefits your plan includes. At checkout, present your UCard. The cashier will swipe or scan it. If you are using a self-checkout machine, you may need to enter the card number or swipe the card at the terminal. For online shopping, check if the retailer accepts your UCard. Some stores let you enter the card number during checkout just like a payment card. You may need to use a web browser or the store app. Always check your plan details to confirm where online purchases are allowed. Thanks for watching.